everyone, and welcome back to Dr. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Jennifer.
Hi Jennifer, hi everyone. It feels amazing to be back again with all of you today. You know, every time we sit down to record, I feel excited. This place feels like home now.
That's sweet, Jack. But you look different today. Not tired, not stressed, not confused. You look calm, peaceful, almost glowing. What happened?
Oh, something huge happened, Jennifer. Something inside me changed. Not my haircut, not my clothes. My mindset.
Your mindset?
Yes, the way I think, the way I see problems, the way I talk to myself. I changed it, and suddenly my whole life started to change too.
Wow. And this is important because many English learners feel stuck not because of their skills, but because of their mindset.
Exactly. They say things like, I am bad at English. I cannot improve. I am too old to learn. My life never gets better. My mind is full of problems.
Those thoughts feel true, but they are not the truth.
Yes, they are just thoughts, not reality.
And today we fix that. Today we show you how a small change in your mindset can create a big change in your life. Today you will learn 3 important things: how your thoughts shape your life, how to build a positive, strong mindset, and how to talk about mindset changes in simple, natural English.
And of course, we will do this in a warm, friendly conversation, just like always.
So, Jack, let's start simple. What is a mindset?
A mindset is the way you think about yourself, your life, and your future. For example, if you think, I always fail, then your brain stops trying.
Yes. And if you think, I can learn, I can grow, your brain becomes stronger and more open.
A good mindset is like sunlight for your brain.
And a bad mindset is like a dark cloud.
Exactly.
Negative mindset examples. Let us talk about some common negative thoughts people have.
Good idea. I am not smart enough. My English is too bad. I will never be confident. Other people are better than me.
These thoughts feel real, but they are not the truth.
They are only thoughts, not facts.
And when you believe these thoughts, your life becomes smaller.
Yes, you stop trying, you stop dreaming, you stop taking action.
Changing your mindset. So, Jack, what happened to you? What changed?
One day I woke up and thought, what if I stop saying I cannot and start saying I can try?
That is powerful.
Suddenly, small things became easier. I started learning new skills. I stopped comparing myself. I started believing that I can grow.
That is the magic. A small shift can create big results. Natural English phrases for mindset change. Let us teach some easy phrases students can use.
Okay, instead of saying I cannot do this, say I can learn this. I can try. I am getting better.
Instead of saying I am bad at English, say I am improving. I am learning step by step. I am getting more confident.
See, small changes, big differences.
Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. A fixed mindset says, this is who I am. I cannot change.
But a growth mindset says, I can grow, I can learn, I can become better.
Which one sounds better?
Growth mindset. Every time.
I also had a mindset problem. I always thought I was shy. I believed I could not talk in front of people.
But now you speak to thousands of people.
Yes. Because I changed my mindset. I stopped saying I am shy and started saying I am learning to be confident.
And look at you now.
When you think negative thoughts, you feel sad, scared, or weak.
And when you think strong thoughts, you feel brave, calm, and ready.
Thought arrow, feeling arrow, action arrow, life.
If you change the thought, everything changes.
Mindset conversation. Example, let's show a natural conversation. Jack, I feel like I cannot learn English fast.
It is okay. You are learning step by step.
But I make mistakes.
Mistakes help you grow.
I want to be confident.
You are already improving. Keep going.
How to build a strong mindset. Simple habits. Wake up and think one positive thought.
Talk to yourself kindly.
Celebrate small wins.
Accept mistakes.
Be patient with yourself.
And never stop believing you can change.
Repeat after us. I can grow. I can learn. I am improving. My mindset is getting stronger. I believe in myself.
Now complete this sentence. I want to change my mindset because...
Well done. How mindset affects your English. Many students think, I am bad at English. I forget everything. I make too many mistakes.
But when you change your mindset, you say, I am learning every day. My English is improving. Mistakes help me grow.
And suddenly, English becomes easier.
Mindset first, language second.
Story time. Jennifer's journey with self-doubt. And now it is my turn to confess something.
Oh, I love confession time. Go ahead.
I used to think I was not good enough to teach English.
What? You? Jennifer? You are an amazing teacher.
Thank you. But years ago, I always thought someone else was better. I thought, who will listen to me? And every time I got a new opportunity, my first reaction was fear.
And what changed?
One sentence changed everything. I deserve good things.
Wow, that is powerful.
Yes. When I changed my mindset, I stopped running from opportunity. I started walking toward it. And today, thousands of students listen to you every week.
That's the magic of mindset.
Mindset and English learning. Deep plus gentle.
Let us talk directly to our students for a moment.
Yes. Dear students, if you think my English is bad, your brain closes.
But if you think, I am learning, your brain opens.
If you think people will laugh at me, you stay silent.
But if you think, speaking helps me grow,
You speak more. If you think I cannot improve, you stop practicing.
But if you think, I improve a little every day, you keep going.
Your mindset decides your English journey.
Let us speak directly to our English learners again.
Yes.
Dear students, your mindset is your biggest tool for learning. If you think, I am too slow, your brain becomes slow.
But if you think I am learning at my own pace, your brain becomes calm.
If you think, I will embarrass myself, you stay silent.
But if you think mistakes help me speak better, you speak more.
Your mindset decides how fast you learn, how confident you feel, and how far you grow.
Today, you learned something extremely important. Your mindset shapes your life.
You learned simple English phrases to talk about growth and confidence.
You learned deep emotional lessons about thoughts and actions.
You learned stories from our lives, moments when our mindset changed everything.
And you practiced speaking powerful affirmations.
Thank you for listening to this long, deep, warm lesson.
Please subscribe to Dr. English channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what mindset do you want to change?
We want to read every answer.
Until next time,
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.